going on YouTube? Cackaballs here again. It's been a while since I've done a video. I actually called it quits back in December on buying car stereo stuff and collecting. I have since started buying again, partly because I'm trying to finish an install that I set out to do a while ago. And I bought some items that I thought maybe you guys might like to take a look at. So I'm sure that you've already probably have seen the title and you already know what it is. But let's make a video about it. Let's open this thing up. If I can get my fingers in here. So hopefully you guys get a kick out of watching the videos that I have uploaded already. Right now I'm trying to work on a build of 3 200X2s and some extra goodie stuff. So let's take a look here. That amplifier is not packed very well. Paper towels. Okay, so paper towels in the bottom of the box, and there is some large just some regular large bubble wrap. Anyway, so this was bought off of one of the Facebook pages from a guy, relatively new, so we'll have to test it out, make sure that it works. So Rockford Fosgate 200X2 Transana. It'll need to be prepped and painted. I'm going to paint all of them, all the 200X2s that I've got. The seals, believe it or not, are not broken on it. Let me bring them up closer so you guys can take a look at it here. So that's not broken. And this one's not broken. I'm actually really surprised. So it is pretty dirty inside there. You probably can't see that, but really need to get a better camera. You guys need to start subscribing more and posting more so I can get better equipment. Anyway, so the reason why I'm going with the 200X2 now is that these actually have the PSD1 port, which is the punch status display. And I'm going to be running 3 of the PSD1 displays in my car, which I have that set up over here. Boop, boop, boop. And I'm going to end up doing a video of that as soon as I get done here. But just wanted to show you guys this one, 200X2. Basically the same amplifier as a 200iX, except for this one has obviously different end caps. The the iX series will end up having end caps that look similar to these here. So these don't have the recess in them like what these do. But we're going to get this cleaned up. We're going to get it tested, making sure that it works. And stay tuned. I got a couple more videos coming up here. And thanks for subscribing, those that have been subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. Those of you that feel compelled to give me a thumbs down, tell me why. Tell me why you don't like the video. Maybe that'll help me improve on the quality or the content of it. If you just want to be, one of those guys that goes around and thumbs down videos, fine. That's fine too. But at least throw me a bone, let me know what's going on. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to drop me a line down below. I usually respond to comments within 24 hours. And till next time, have a good one, guys.